In this video, I will show you how you can install and use Noteshelf on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you can install Noteshelf on your tablet. Then tap on Open. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Noteshelf on our tablet. Now just tap on Get Started. Now if you want to buy the premium version of this app, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can select Skip for now. Now to create a note in this app, you can either tap on Quick Note or Notebook. Just select either of them, or you can import a file. For an example, I will select Notebook. Now from here, you can give a name to your notebook. For an example, I'll name it My Notes. If you want to change the cover of your notebook, you can do it from here. And also, if you want to change the page style, you can do it from here. And once you do that, then just tap on Done and select Create Notebook. As you can see, we have successfully created the notebook on our tablet. And from here, you can write your notes. Just like that. Now, once you're done creating your notes, now if you tap on the arrow icon and if you go back, as you can see, this is the notes which we have created. Just like that. And this is how you can install and use Noteshelf on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.